So Knight & Associates is a repeat customer from about 6 years ago in 2015. They came to us looking for a lobby sign for their new practice. They would be opening in Tucker, Georgia. They wanted something bold to stand out, but being new they couldn't go too crazy with it. So we started their first lobby sign with some dimensional 1-inch thick PVC to give it some real depth on the wall and make it stand out that they were part of Primerica. Joshua Knight reached back out to me back in February of 2021 asking if we could help move his sign and also create something for his new lobby where he would be moving up onto the 4th floor from the 3rd floor. We started brainstorming ideas, thinking, do we want to do it lighted? Do we want to do it small? Do we want to do it big? He had a 20-foot wall where he wanted to make a statement that says, I'm here and I'll be here for 10 years and I'm here to serve you as a customer. Joshua and I went back and forth trying to figure out exactly what would make this statement bold and stick out to the customer. We started with a 2-foot logo, which scaled out to be about 10 foot wide, and it wasn't big enough, so we continued to size our way up and landed on a 4-foot wide logo, which then scaled out to about 18 feet wide of a sign. Now this isn't normal for a lobby sign. This is generally a building sign that someone would do. So the new lobby sign, after we got the size, we determined that we wanted to do something new and fresh that we had just started at Pinnacle, and that would be edge lighted LED sign. The edge lighting consists of using 1-inch thick acrylic, putting a channel in it, and having LEDs light from the side. You use an aluminum face to block the light out of the front, and then the edge lights up and gives a real nice halo glow. We talked about doing a white halo and then landed on doing a RGB logo, which would give us more colors and a bigger spectrum for him to choose from to change for said holidays or just what kind of mood he was in for the day. All in all, the project consisted of a lobby sign, which was the size of a building sign, as well as some frosted vinyl and names for his associates.